Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest weather analysis for this weekend, Saturday through Monday, February 26, 28, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's proceed now with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Saturday. And we have the northeast monsoon is still affecting Luzon, including Bicol region. And these areas will have breezy conditions of winds of 30 to 50 kph and with some passing isolated rain showers across the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon and also here across the Bicol region, while the rest of Mimaropa, Visayas, northern and Caraga region of Mindanao or northern Mindanao, and also Zamboanga del Norte and Davao Oriental, including the Sulu Archipelago and the Calayan Island Group. They will be under the influence of the Northeasterly Surface Windflow. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclones within the next 5 to 10 days. We just have here a surface trough, which is quite strong due to the increasing thunderstorm cloudiness across the southernmost part of Micronesia. And we have here a tail end of a frontal system, or in technical term it's known as a shear line, and an eastward moving high pressure area towards Japan that will pave way for more northeasterly monsoonal flow across northern Philippines and the eastern sections of Luzon. So far, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, sunny and dry with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. So that's the latest from the GovSat. Here's the fast animation. Those are the cloudiness generated by the northeasterly surface windflow and the northeast monsoon here. If we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, courtesy of UMETSAT, you can clearly see here some small patches of cloudiness with thunderstorms or rain showers across portions of the Bicol region, portions of the Visayas, as well Caraga, and some portions of Soxygen. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, for this Saturday afternoon, we could expect the prevailing northeast monsoon across the eastern sections of central Luzon, including the Bicol region, while northeasterly surface windflow will be expected across Visayas and northern northeastern Mindanao. And if we move it into Sunday, the northeasterly surface windflow will remain present across eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, as well as the coastal areas of the Bicol region. Come Monday, the winds will slightly shift from the east, so it is likely to be still a northeasterly windflow or maybe just pure easterlies. So if we take a look at the rain forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, by this afternoon, Saturday, we could still expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao and portions of the eastern Visayan area. Also, across the eastern sections of central and northern Luzon, including the Bicol region, we could be expecting some isolated rain showers, passing rain showers across these areas. And if we move into Sunday afternoon, increasing rain clouds and thunderstorms will be expected across the whole of Mindanao because of the northeast surface windflow. This is becoming more frequent across Mindanao because of the prevailing La Nina conditions, which is now starting to weaken as we move into the hot dry months of the Philippine Islands. And on Monday, cloudiness and thunderstorms will also be expected across the whole of the Visayas and eastern sections of the Bicol region, particularly Sorsogon, Albay, and Catanduanes, because of the winds from the east known as easterlies. So most likely there will be a convergence from the northeast and easterlies, which will pave way for more thunderstorms across Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao, and also portions of Palawan. And if we take a look at the total rainfall accumulation forecast until Monday, there you go. You could see here some rain showers will be expected across the eastern sections of central and northern Luzon, particularly northern Quezon, and also across eastern sections of the Bicol region, but it's more lighter and becoming more moderate to heavy across the eastern sections of Visayas, particularly eastern Leyte, and the eastern sections of Mindanao, most especially areas like northern Caraga and Davao Oriental. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas for the next 3 days because of the possible rain showers along eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. So there you go. And before we leave you, here is the latest La Nina update. This is for mid-February 2022, courtesy of IRR and CPC model of NOAA. So based on the latest now, the La Nina conditions has gone down to 78% for February, March, April. And for March, April, May, it will continue to go down to 62% and 59% around April, May, and June. And around April, May, and June, it is likely that the La Nina conditions will end and it will be replaced by a 59% probability for neutral or normal conditions. But the effects of La Nina will still continue until the month of June or July. It will coincide with the wet season of the Philippine Islands, particularly the western sections of the country. So there you go. That's the latest from the La Nina update. It's now slowly weakening, and a return to neutral or normal conditions will be expected around April, May, June of this year. And if we move forward into the next 6 months, around October, November, December, there is a 38% of neutral conditions, while 32% of La Nina conditions and 29% of El Nino conditions. So it's still uncertain as of this time. We will know that come June, July, August, if there will be another La Nina, or if we are going to shift to El Nino. So it remains hanging up in the air. We will know that in the middle of 2022. So that's the latest for this weekend, Saturday to Monday, and we will return next week, Monday, February 28th, the last day of the month of February, to give you more latest updates here in the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Happy weekend to all. Be healthy and strong. And thank you so much for watching our channel.